Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Dear students, our today's topic is before, after, and between. Listen carefully. When the numbers arranged in an order, before means number placed earlier than the other number. After comes later than the other numbers. Between lies the middle of two numbers. Like on the table number 1, 1 comes before 2. On the table number 2, 2 comes after 1. And on the table number 3, 2 comes between 1 and 3. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.